Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel.
Did you know that squats can work over 200 muscles in your body at once?
That's right. This one exercise has the power to target multiple muscle groups and provide a full body workout like no other. Today, we're going to dive into the world of squats and explore why they are an essential component of any workout routine. Whether you're a beginner looking to start your fitness journey or a seasoned athlete wanting to take your training to the next level, squats have something to offer for everyone.
Let's face it, finding an exercise that efficiently targets multiple muscle groups can be a real challenge.
Many people struggle to find a workout that not only builds strength but also helps with calorie burning and overall fitness improvement. This is where squats come in to save the day. One of the key benefits of squats is their ability to build strength in various muscle groups, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and core. By performing squats regularly, you can increase your overall muscle mass and improve your functional strength for everyday activities.
In addition to strength building, squats are also great for burning calories and promoting weight loss.
This compound exercise elevates your heart rate, leading to increased calorie expenditure during and after your workout. This makes squats an effective tool for those looking to shed some extra pounds and improve their body composition.
Furthermore, incorporating squats into your routine can lead to overall fitness improvement.
Not only do squats help with strength and weight loss, but they also enhance your balance, flexibility, and mobility. By mastering the squat technique and progressively increasing the difficulty, you can boost your athletic performance and reduce the risk of injury. Now, here's the key insight. Squats are a versatile and effective exercise for anyone looking to improve their health and fitness.
Whether you're aiming to build muscle, burn fat, or enhance your athletic performance, squats can help you achieve your goals. With proper form and consistency, squats can be a game changer in your fitness journey. In conclusion, the benefits of squats are undeniable. From strength building and calorie burning to overall fitness improvement, squats offer a wide range of advantages for your physical well-being. If you're looking to elevate your workout routine and see tangible results, incorporating squats is a must. I encourage you to give squats a try and see the difference they can make in your fitness journey.
Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned lifter, squats are a valuable addition to any exercise regimen. Don't forget to share your experiences with squats in the comments below and let me know how they have helped you reach your fitness goals.
Thanks for watching, and remember to squat it out.